So right here on number 18, we're multiplying two matrices. And of course, before we do any matrix multiplication problem, we have to check the dimensions. So right underneath, I'm going to write the dimensions for this matrix, which is 2 rows by 2 columns. So we have a 2 by 2 matrix. And this one right here, we have 2 rows and 1 column. So we have a 2 by 1 matrix. Okay, and now we check if the inner two numbers are the same. So 2 and 2, that means we're all clear. And then we use the outer two numbers as the dimensions for our product. So that means our product is going to have 2 rows and 1 column. So it's going to be a 2 by 1 matrix. Okay, now to actually multiply the two matrices, we have to multiply row by column. So in this first spot right here, we are in the first row of the first column. So we multiplied this entire first row by this entire first column. In order to do that, we have to multiply the first element of the first row times the first element of the first column. So it's going to be 2 times 6, which is 12. And then we're going to add the second element times the second element, which is 8 times negative 7, which is negative 56. And 12 plus negative 56 is negative 44. Okay, now we're in the second row, first column. So that means we have to multiply this entire second row times this first column again. Okay, now we have to do first element times first element. So that's 3 times 6, which is 18. And now we're going to add the second element times the second element, which is negative 1 times negative 7, which gets us positive 7. 18 plus 7 is 25. And this matrix is the product of these two matrices.